Do you need help with your career? I'm going to explain how my Career Success Toolkit actually works. So, if you're wondering what a career coach actually does, let me show you what working with me would actually look like. Because career coaching is a lot more than just fixing up resumes and putting up a LinkedIn profile. So I created the Career Success Toolkit for people who want practical and customized personal support for their career, but they might not be looking for a long-term coaching program. Okay, I do give you plenty of options to pick from. Maybe you're looking for a new job and you just need help getting maybe your resume together. Okay, and you need to know how you can use LinkedIn to help you with your job search. Maybe you're getting interviews, but you are having a problem turning them into success. Okay, or maybe you're thinking about a totally new career path to go into, but you just need help figuring out what that even looks like, what you're even good at. Okay. Or maybe you're already working and you're trying to maneuver yourself into a promotion. Okay. Or maybe you're trying to figure out what your next position should be. So this is where the Career Success Toolkit comes in handy. You can start with a single career coaching strategy session with me. If you have one specific challenge, I can work with you through that. Or if you need more hands-on support, there's different options that you can take for multiple areas of your career, whether it's job search strategies, career strategies in terms of, what career path should you be following, maybe how to use resume, how to create a resume, how to set up your LinkedIn profile, interviews, and a potential opportunity to have a mock interview done with me where we can do that one-on-one thing and you get feedback from me as a recruiter, letting you know what you can do better and what you did good. Okay. And then also we can't forget about networking so that you'll know how to tap into the hidden job market. So this is traditional career coaching without the astrological lens. My goal is that I meet you where you're at, okay? Because everybody's at a different spot in their life. And I help you to figure out exactly what it is that you need instead of just giving you like something that you can find on a Google search, okay? My advice is really customized for you specifically. And because sometimes you don't need someone to tell you what career you should be in. You know how we used to listen to our parents and follow their advice, and then at the end of the day, you realize you don't even like that. What you do need is somebody who can look at where you are right now, and somebody who can help you get through any type of challenges that you're having, and also to give you practical strategies to help you move forward in your job search. So if you're feeling stuck, and if you're looking for a career transition, or just looking for your new job, this is something that the Career Success Toolkit can help you with. It might just come down to you not needing more career advice. Maybe you just need the right support to help you put your plan into action. And that's where I come in. Okay. The main recommendations and feedback that I've gotten from my former clients is that they've walked away feeling transformed and more empowered and more confident in their job search. So this is how I can actually help you. And this is what sets me apart from other career coaches as well. So I want you to remember that the energy that you put out really matters because the universe has a way of sending it right back to you. Okay. So feel free to like, share, subscribe, follow, comment below. And the link to the Career Success Toolkit is in the comment section.